In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of software design. By the end, you'll understand the importance of software design and the difference between the design principles and the design patterns. Without any further delay, let's get started. Software design is the process of envisioning and defining software solutions to one or more set of general problems. Most of the times, we may need to integrate our software with external applications. For example, if you look at the Redbus application, they interact with the applications of many transportation providers, whether it be the public or the private. So, the design of Redbus application should be good enough to interoperably work with the external applications. Similarly, whenever you want to add new capabilities to the existing product or service, the new code should not affect the underlying architecture or the existing functionality. And the aspects like how it is complex or easier to scale this particular application to the wider audience and much larger data set also depends on how the design was implemented in that particular application. The efficiency of any application or software completely relies on how it is organized or how it is designed. If application design is poor, you might see many issues with regards to the compatibility, modularity, scalability, vulnerabilities, and maintainability. Everything becomes havoc. So, software design is very, very important. That means here, design means how we organize the code is going to play a key role. So, more than what we code, how we code matters. Let us understand what are design principles and the design patterns. As I already explained, these are the general problems that we face in our day-to-day programming. Some of the great minds in the software industry have designed these design principles and the design patterns. But what is the difference? Design principles are intended to make the software design more understandable, flexible, and maintainable. That's all. Whereas design patterns are nothing but these are the proved or well tested and safe to use solutions. So, in order to make our lives easy, they have already come up with these patterns that we can simply implement in our solution and customize according to our use case. Okay, now I believe you have a clear picture of why the software design is important and the difference between the design principles and the design patterns. If you're not clear about the design principles and the design patterns clearly, don't worry. So we have the further videos coming up which will explain clearly what they are. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.